what can we expect after Flight 5? Most likely, the goal will be to catch both stages during the next flight. Following that, SpaceX might attempt a similar mission with an even larger and more powerful version of Starship. Long distance journeys lie ahead, but to achieve this, SpaceX will need a stronger launch pad capable of supporting the future of Starship and humanity's exploration of space. Recognizing this, Elon Musk made a bold announcement about the future of the launch pad, promising an incredible foundation for Starship to launch and return safely. So, what exactly did Musk reveal? How will this vision become reality? During the recent flight, we saw the launch system function effectively, particularly the chopstick mechanism, which successfully caught Super Heavy. This system has once again demonstrated its reliability in assisting Starship's ascent. The water deluge system also performed well, reducing heat and pressure to protect the launch pad from damage. Other systems like the Orbital Launch Mount, OLM, and Ship QD did not report any serious issues. However, post-launch images showed that the OLM legs and protective wall were scorched as they have been in previous launches. While it's not a major concern, it points to areas where improvements might be needed for future launches. This level of performance is impressive, especially considering the immense power generated by Starship. With 33 Raptor engines in the Super Heavy booster, the maximum liftoff thrust reaches a staggering 7,590 tons, twice the power of NASA's legendary Saturn V rocket. But that's not all. SpaceX aims to create launch pads with even greater capabilities. Recently, Musk announced that the new launch pad is already designed to support a version of Starship with 10,000 tons of thrust, nearly 3 times more powerful than the Saturn V. This brings us to the need for a more robust launch pad. SpaceX is currently building Launch Pad B, which will feature significant changes compared to Pad A. The new OLM is expected to be a mobile system with a square structure, allowing for quick replacement and continuous launch operations. The main focus will be on the flame trench system installed below. Unlike the water-cooled steel plates used at Pad A, the flame trench system is designed to direct heat and pressure away from the pad more effectively. With these improvements, SpaceX will likely continue refining its launch systems, possibly using more durable materials. Current concrete and steel frames may not withstand long-term use, but SpaceX might introduce a secondary protective layer for the flame trench that can be easily replaced if damaged. Musk has also revealed that the next generation Starship will require a completely revamped engine to achieve over 10,000 tons of thrust. Each Raptor engine will need to produce 330 tons of thrust, and with 33 engines, this version could exceed 10,000 tons of thrust. However, SpaceX will likely increase thrust in steady increments, starting with Starship 5-2, which will feature the newly introduced Raptor 3 engines. These engines, unveiled only a few months ago, boast 280 tons of thrust at sea level. With this increased power, Starship 5-2 is projected to reach a maximum liftoff thrust of 9,240 tons. However, SpaceX has indicated that V2's initial launches will operate below full capacity to prioritize safety and performance reliability. Looking toward the future, there is already speculation about Starship 5-3, which could push the performance envelope even further. Musk has hinted that this version could potentially reach a groundbreaking 10,000 tons of thrust. Achieving this would likely require more than just increasing the number of engines. It could involve the development of an entirely new propulsion system, or significant upgrades to the existing Raptor engines. As for the timeline, the debut of Starship 5-2 is expected early next year. SpaceX has been progressing rapidly with the V2 prototypes. with the S-33 nearly complete and the S-34 nose cone already spotted at Mega Bay 2. As for the 10,000-ton thrust version, its development timeline remains unclear, but it will require significant advancements in engine technology, materials, and infrastructure. Meanwhile, SpaceX is accelerating the construction of Launchpad B, which will be critical for the next phase of Starship launches. The deadline for the construction of the new OLM and flame trench system is January 25th of next year. Once completed, this launch pad will undergo a few months of preparation before being used for the first V2 launch. In addition, SpaceX's Florida launch site is undergoing significant upgrades. The OLM at Launchpad Florida was decommissioned a few months ago and will likely be replaced by a new, stronger system similar to Launchpad B. SpaceX has outlined a plan for Florida that involves launching an upgraded Starship with a thrust of 10,500 tons, explaining why the old system is no longer suitable. As construction progresses, it's clear that more launch pads will be needed to support SpaceX's ambitious goals. Musk has mentioned plans for 25 flights in the next few years, with the potential for thousands of missions in the future. As SpaceX continues to develop new Starship versions and explore interplanetary missions, robust launch pads will be essential. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.